Hello everybody, hope all are doing good. Today let's see how to make toffee cake. For that we'll start with the preparation of making toffee. This is an easiest way of making toffee. I've taken 200 ml of condensed milk and I'm going to pressure cook this. Water little above the container. First 15 minutes on high flame and next 15 minutes on low flame. Once it's done, remove it from the pressure cooker and refrigerate it. Let's start off with a vanilla sponge. This is the recipe I've already posted in my channel. I shall give the link in the description. Start beating the eggs in low speed and add sugar little by little. After you have completely added the sugar, you can increase the speed from low to high. Beat until the egg mixture doubles in size. Now let's add a flour. Add little by little and mix in low speed. I have taken a pan bigger the size of my baking tray and preheated it for about 15 minutes on high flame. Place the baking tray and close the lid. Lower the flame and cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our sugar syrup. 1 cup of water and half a cup of sugar. This would be just enough for 1 kg base. For the toffee sauce, you'll need 100 grams of white chocolate, 50 grams of fresh cream. Microwave the fresh cream for about 30 seconds. Or you can do the either way. You can even melt the white chocolate first. Now add about 2 tablespoons of our toffee that we have prepared. Give it a good mix and our sauce is ready. Now let's whip our cream. Take about 2 tablespoons of the toffee and beat it first. Otherwise you will end up having lumps in your whipped cream and you will not be able to pipe the flowers properly. Add in 1 cup of whipping cream and half a cup of sugar. Start off in low speed and gradually increase the speed. Now let's start icing our cake. Soak the sponge with the syrup that we have prepared. added toffee sauce in between the layers just to give an extra taste. It's absolutely left up to your choice. Our cake is ready. Hope you enjoyed. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such beautiful videos. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.